This ultimate video will teach you everything you need to know about how to make money blogging. We'll start by discussing some of the basics of blogging and why it can be such a great way to earn an income. We'll then move on to talking about how to find the right niche for your blog and how to monetize your blog. By the end of this video, you will have all the information you need to start making money from your blog. Why should you blog? Before we get into how to make money blogging, let's first talk about why you should blog in the first place. Blogging can be a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. It can also be a great way to connect with like-minded people and build a community around your interests. But one of the most popular reasons people start blogging is to make money, and there are a lot of different ways you can do this. You can sell products through your blog, run ads, or even make money through affiliate marketing. How do bloggers get paid? Now that we've discussed some of the basics of blogging, let's talk about some specific ways that you can make money from your blog. Here are a few of the most common methods. 1. Selling advertising space on your blog. This is one of the most common ways that bloggers make money. You can sell advertising space directly to businesses or use a platform like Google AdSense to sell advertising space on your blog to anyone who is interested. 2. Creating and selling products. If you have a knack for creating products, then you can sell them through your blog. This could be anything from digital products like ebooks or courses to physical products like fashion accessories or home decor. 3. Offering consulting or coaching services. If you have expertise in a particular area, you could offer consulting or coaching services to your readers. This is a great way to monetize a blog if you don't want to sell products or advertising space. 4. Becoming an affiliate. You can make money by promoting other people's products or services on your blog. When someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. 5. Accepting donations. If you have a loyal readership, you could ask them to donate to your blog in order to support your work. This is a great option if you don't want to sell products or advertising space on your blog. These are just a few of the most common ways to make money blogging. As you can see, there are a number of different options available to you, so it's important to think about what will work best for your particular blog. Thanks for watching.